No, the VA appraisal does not stick with the property. What's up, everyone? Brian here with MyCityLender, back to bust another mortgage myth. If you're currently selling your home or considering selling your home, this video is for you. Before we jump into this, here at MyCityLender, we believe that helping veterans purchase a home using their VA benefit is a small way that we can repay an unrepayable debt to those who have fought and sacrificed so much to preserve our freedom. Helping a veteran achieve their home ownership dreams is a small but crucial way that we can give back as a mortgage company. Also, if you find any value in these videos at all, please do me a favor and hit that thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm to push it out to more people and helps us accomplish our goal of educating home buyers and sellers. And if you like the information, do me a favor and hit subscribe. If there are other VA myths you'd like us to talk about, make sure you leave us a comment. Let's jump into this. One of the biggest and most pervasive misconceptions regarding the VA appraisal is that the report and the value sticks with the property for 6 months. The myth is that the VA case number ties the appraised value or the appraiser required repairs to the home, affecting future transactions. This is absolutely not true. Unfortunately, this is one of several misconceptions out there about the program that often deters sellers from accepting a VA financed offer over a conventionally financed offer or other loan programs. Much like the confusion over auto insurance, whether the insurance follows the person or the car, the VA appraisal follows the borrower, not the property. Let me say that again. The VA appraisal follows the borrower, not the property. Have you been told that the VA appraisal will stick to your property? Did that information factor into your decision whether or not to accept a VA offer on your house, or even whether or not to open up the sale to VA buyers in the first place? If so, tell us your story in the comments. We would love to hear from you. So as an example, say you're under contract to sell your home to a VA buyer and the deal falls through, whether either you or the buyer backs out due to the VA appraised value coming in below your agreed to purchase price. If a new VA buyer makes an offer on your home, a new VA appraisal will be required by the VA and the new lender. The previous VA appraisal will have no bearing whatsoever on the new appraisal, and the previous VA case number will have no association with the new VA contract. So what is the 6-month time frame actually for? Well, the VA does require that lenders have 6 months to close a loan for a veteran after receiving the notice of value from the appraiser. Simply put, the VA rule is designed to ensure that the veteran has plenty of time to close on the property they are purchasing without having to pay for another appraisal. Are you a veteran concerned about your home loan? Tell us about it in the comments. We would absolutely love to help you. Remember when I said that the VA appraisal follows the borrower, not the property? Well, in the case where a veteran is buying a home with their VA benefit and they decide to change lenders after the appraisal was completed, the new lender will be required to use the appraisal that was already completed. In other words, within 6 months, the VA will not allow a veteran borrower to change lenders for the same property in effort to get a different appraisal outcome. As an experienced VA mortgage team, we get this question all the time. So to ensure we are providing our borrowers and the real estate community with good information on this, we have done our research, speaking with VA Home Loan Division officials and VA appraisers alike to get to the truth on this. When asked if a previous appraisal affects your analysis when you go out to do an inspection on a home, one experienced VA appraiser told us, no, not at all. We are not given any prior appraisal, nor would that be legal or ethical. What questions or comments do you have about VA loans or the VA appraisal process? What other myths about VA loans would you like us to talk about? Make sure you leave us a comment. We do our best to answer each and every question and comment. If you made it to the end of this video, chances are you found this to be helpful. If so, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you again soon on another mortgage myth busting video.